Well, I'm still at it. I've caught 5 skunks and 2 possums in this Z-Trap 8-inch Skunk-N-More. I'm using cat food for bait. They come up here, they eat my cat food. I've successfully released all of them out in the wild, out the little pretty lake I go by. If you've been watching my videos, you probably already know that. So hey, let's see what we can catch. I know I got at least 1 more skunk and 1 more possum, if not more. So hey, let's come back in the morning and see what we caught. Well, if there's any question whether this Z-Trap Skunk-N-More 8-inch will catch a raccoon, I think we just answered that question. And I didn't want to catch a raccoon. I just wanted to catch the skunks and possums and relocate them. So I'm basically just fixing to pull the pin, let this dude go, and try to get out of the way. I don't want to get balled up on and eat up by a raccoon. So we're going to see what happens. Well, I really thought he would just run out. Maybe not. Well, he finally came out. I could say I didn't really want to catch a raccoon. They ain't hurting nothing. I'm gonna reset this, see if I can catch something else. So, hey, it'll catch a raccoon, it'll catch a possum, it'll catch a skunk, and I'm sure it'll catch a cat and probably any other little animal that'll fit in there. So, if there was any question, I think we answered it. So, hey, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.